Hi, this is Kajal Vashisht and you are watching me on Filmy Mantra. मैं तो अक्षय के साथ नेक्स्ट फिल्म कर रही हूँ, शाहरुख खान के साथ में मेरी और एक फिल्म आने वाली है. Used to work that time very closely with Salman sir's office and team. तो उनका मुझे एक दिन कॉल आया कि अरे SLV में ऑडिशन हो रहा है तो जाके आ जा, प्रभु देवाइस की फिल्म में. कुछ ना कुछ जॉब ले लूंगी, मैं कुछ भी काम कर लूंगी, लेकिन भाई शादी नहीं करूंगी किसी मारवाड़ी. 2018 we were reunited as family. So
much later after
much later, yeah. पर 2012 में उनको स्क्रीन पे देख के पता चला कि चलो हमारी बेटी जिंदा है.
And did they contact you?
No, even from the makers. कि they thought कि अरे हमने आपको पर डे पे किया है ना, please sit. And उस टाइम पे मुझे बुरा लगा. Gun working in Gujarati theatre, and I got that because I could speak South Indian language, and they needed a character who would blend Gujarati and Tamil and that South Indian accent.
And I've heard कि कभी-कभी इधर इशू रहता है पेमेंट्स का, 4-4 महीने बाद पेमेंट्स होती हैं. Is it true?
Yeah.
4-4 महीने बाद
या शायद कभी हो भी नहीं.
Oh God.
ऐसे
ऐसा आपके साथ कभी हुआ है कि पेमेंट नहीं मिला?
नहीं मिला. कौन? जानवी फॉर एग्जांपल. जानवी कपूर shot for दोस्ताना का sequel. I think she was cast in that, and that film got shelved in 2 days.
कोई एक्ट्रेस आपकी फेवरेट रही हो?
I love Rekha ji. Something happened for which I respect Akshay sir a lot.
Hi, this is Mohit Rana and you're watching yet another episode of the FM show on Filmy Mantra, a show where we celebrate stories, have fun and bring you the entertainment you deserve. Today, I have a very special guest with me. She is known for her role in Rowdy Rathore and in both Gujarati and Telugu cinema. Please welcome Kajal Vashisht.
Hello.
How are you doing today?
Fantastic.
Kajal, I'd like to talk about your journey throughout, but usse pehle I'd like to know a little bit about you.
Sure.
Childhood mein aap kaise the? What were you like?
I think there's not a single word that I can describe myself, but I was this above average student in studies. I scored around 80 to 90 के बीच का bracket में मेरे marks आते थे, and I was very outgoing person. Wherever my dad actually raised me like a boy, तो अब वो जहाँ भी जाते थे मैं उनके साथ साथ जाती थी. और very active in extracurricular activities and just sweet. Didn't want much. I was good by myself. So my childhood was. Backbencher? Sorry?
Were you the backbencher?
No, I was like the teacher's pet who would sit in the first row. God. Yeah, I was like that.
And other students hated you for that?
Yeah, actually. But I don't know. There were a few teachers I really liked, I really admired, and just listening to them and just being close to them, just watching them was my thing, and they were so fabulous in teaching that I didn't want to miss out sitting behind.
कोई इंस्पिरेशन थी बचपन में, कोई एक्टर जिसको आप देखते हो या कोई एक्टर या कोई फिल्म जिससे आप बहुत
My dad is a film buff. He is a die-hard fan of Devanand, Kishore Kumar, Rajesh Khanna. And I grew up watching films like Aradhana and Chalbaz and all the classics of Bollywood.
कोई एक्ट्रेस आपकी फेवरेट रही हो?
I love Rekha ji.
Okay.
I love Rekha ji. The kind of work she's done. Yeah. I'm like a huge fan of Rekha ji and Sridevi. Her dancing.
True.
Insanely beautiful.
But when you told your parents actually that you want to move to Mumbai, how was their reaction? मतलब
Okay, so I actually never told them that I'm going to Bombay.
Okay.
Yeah, I just we were, I had this so much pressure of shadi, and Marwadi families, you know how it is. True. And I had seen enough bad marriages. तो मैं उस चक्कर में पड़ने वाली नहीं थी. So one fine day, I just left.
Okay.
Without telling them anything, I just left.
But how did you manage? Like, what did you think कि मतलब आगे जाके क्या होगा या नहीं होगा?
जो होगा मैं देख लूंगी, लेकिन मैं शादी नहीं करूंगी. जो भी होगा मैं देख लूंगी. I will figure it out. I had finished college by then, so I was sure कि मैं कुछ ना कुछ जॉब ले लूंगी, मैं कुछ भी काम कर लूंगी, लेकिन भाई शादी नहीं करूंगी किसी मारवाड़ी crazy family में. Okay, I had seen enough bad marriages, including my parents. So I was like, no, I'm going to choose a different path for myself. And I left. I came to Bombay and I was blessed. I'm telling you, I was blessed. I got good people to support in my journey. I got a job. In 10 days, I had 3 jobs.
Oh my God.
One with Citibank, one with Vodafone, one with an HR consultancy. And I picked up Citibank and I started
Okay.
working.
You started working 9 to 5.
Yeah.
And then how did modeling and everything happen?
So after working for 2-3 years, I had enough saving and I wanted to do MBA.
Okay.
So I left my job
Okay.
and I was preparing for GMAT and I was going. And suddenly just that seemed कि मुझे नहीं करना है.
Okay, now you want to pursue
As-
acting or modeling.
No, there's another twist.
Okay.
So from doing or wanting to doing MBA, I switched to journalism.
Okay.
I joined KC College
Mhm.
and I
Mumbai
did
itself.
Mumbai itself, and I did journalism. And from there, I was anchoring a lot of live sports, like local live sports channel. Pe. And my DG उस time पे जो थे उदय sir, he said, Kajal, you have very photogenic presence on camera.
Okay.
You should try acting.
Okay.
And I said, मतलब मैं किसी को जानती नहीं, try acting मतलब क्या, थिएटर के बाहर जाके काम मांगू, क्या करूँ मैं, मतलब what. And he said कि अच्छा यहाँ चले जाओ, यहाँ पे photographs खिंचवा लो, जाओ audition पे जाओ. And I think slowly I started doing the rounds at Shriji,
Okay.
at Aramnagar, at Four Bungalows.
True.
And I think slowly I got there. From doing modeling to theater to films, and here I am.
Okay.
Yeah.
शुरू में was it tough? बहुत tough रहा होगा.
It was very tough because you don't know how to go
But
about.
your parents supported you during you were doing
No.
MBA.
We were not in talking terms.
Okay.
We were not in talking terms, and they didn't know कि मैं जिंदा हूँ, मर गई, कहाँ हूँ, कहाँ नहीं हूँ. They didn't know. They know that I'm okay when Rowdy Rathore released.
Okay.
Yeah, and that it's a big fight
Mhm.
about how you want to live your life. And I have always been the good girl. I'm my dad's favorite child. I am. Okay, but one thing I didn't want to do was shadi,
Shadi.
and one thing he couldn't let go of was shadi.
Oh God.
So he would let me get away with small stuff. हाँ ठीक है, इसने काम नहीं किया, कोई बात नहीं, घर पे काम नहीं किया, कोई बात नहीं, मार्क्स कम है, कोई बात नहीं. He would not tell me much. But this was one subject where both of us didn't want to give in.
Oh God.
मैंने उनकी हर बात मानी है, हर बात. उन्होंने कहा 4 बजे उठना, 4 बजे उठ गए. ये इतना काम करना, ओके कर लिया. So both of us were stuck with that one junction where we were not just ready to give in to this matter. And in 2018, we were reunited as family.
Oh.
So
much later after Rowdy
much
Rathore.
later, yeah. पर 2012 में उनको स्क्रीन पे देख के पता चला कि चलो हमारी बेटी जिंदा है.
And did they contact you?
No. I
No?
cut off all my cousins, relatives. कोई किसी से कोई बात नहीं, कुछ नहीं, nothing.
Okay, I'll go to Rowdy Rathore. पर
Yes.
उससे पहले का कुछ जो career आपका रहा है.
हाँ.
You've done modeling. You've also hosted a show for MTV, right?
Yes.
So would you like to talk about it? थोड़ा सा.
I've done like a clips for
Okay.
MTV. It was not like a big
But
major
commercials
show.
किया आपने.
Commercials किए मैंने, and I did
Voiceovers भी किया आपने.
voiceovers, and I did this क्या बोलते हैं, Gujarati theatre.
Yeah.
Before Rowdy Rathore, I had already begun working in Gujarati theatre.
Okay.
And I got that because I could speak South Indian language.
Yeah.
And they needed a character who would, blend Gujarati and Tamil and that South Indian accent mix.
Okay, and it worked out for you.
It worked out for me. And I owe everything that I am as an actor to theatre.
Okay.
Yeah, even the confidence to sit in front of camera. That comes from doing rigorous theatre. Yeah.
So let's talk about Rowdy Rathore.
Okay.
How did Rowdy Rathore happen to you?
So I was in my auditioning phase.
Okay.
And there is a writer who जिनका नाम है आलोक उपाध्याय. ठीक है. He used to work that time very closely with Salman sir's office and team. तो उनका मुझे एक दिन कॉल आया कि अरे SLV में ऑडिशन हो रहा है, तू जाके आजा, प्रभु देवाइस की फिल्म है. एंड आई डिडंट नो मेजर क्या है. So that time they said कि पैरेलल लीड है. Of course. And उस टाइम पे हम फिल्म फार्म का एक पायलट शूट कर रहे थे. That was also like I was leading in that show. So I'm like, okay. I went. they saw my pictures, and Prabhu sir had some conversation with me in Tamil, and yeah, that's
it
it.
happened.
And it
But
happened.
how was your experience?
Experience vast. So many things to learn. Like my first day on the set, I had mixed emotions. I cried, I laughed, I felt, I got
Achievement.
inspired.
Yeah.
Not achievement, मतलब तब तक मुझे कुछ ऐसा achievement नहीं feel हुआ था कि
तो
मैंने
इतना
कुछ
स्ट्रगल
achieve.
करने के बाद
हाँ, मतलब achievement कि okay, I got an opportunity
yeah,
वाली feeling
yeah.
थी कि oh wow, okay, there is Santosh Sivan sir in front with camera. There is Saroj Khan. There is Prabhu Deva. There is Akshay Kumar and
Yeah.
Sonakshi. Sonakshi की bodyguard already release हो चुकी है, so she was already like in her prime graph of her career. Okay, तो सारे A+
bodyguard.
bodyguard नहीं, sorry, her first film.
I don't know. Let's not talk
हाँ,
about it.
okay,
Yeah,
her
okay.
first film, Sonakshi's first
Okay.
film. What's that? Okay, so she was already like in her prime of her career
Yeah,
graph.
okay.
ठीक है?
Dabang happened.
हाँ, Dabang.
Okay.
Sorry, Dabang had already
Yeah.
happened.
It's okay.
Sorry, yeah.
Yeah.
So everybody was like A+,
Okay.
including the crew, the dancers, everybody. So I'm just trying to find my feet. कि okay, ठीक है, मैं कहाँ हूँ? I'm here, okay. And something happened for which I respect Akshay sir a lot.
Okay.
So there was this one step जिसमें हम ऐसा घूमते हैं और ऐसा कुछ करते हैं.
चम्मक छल्लो में.
चम्मक छल्लो में.
Okay.
That was the first day of my shoot.
Okay.
Already हम song shoot कर रहे हैं.
Okay.
ठीक है, तो my earring ऐसा कुछ था, earring का पेच निकल गया और earring गिर गया और चश्मा था, चश्मा भी गिर गया.
Oh.
Okay. So everybody was like इतना अच्छा टिक था और अभी इसकी वजह से वो वाइब आ जाती है, आपको
Yeah,
समझ में आ
true,
जाता है.
true.
But Akshay sir kind of, you know, he took it, he made sure that it was so cool. क्योंकि वो पहला शॉट था पूरे दिन का, so they wanted to make sure कि you know ऐसा कोई भी बैड जोन में ना जाए. So he picked up that कि हाँ ठीक है, cool, and he played it so cool कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ, and he made me feel so comfortable on the set कि it's no big deal यार, होता है.
And Sonakshi का वैसे तो करियर का beginning था,
हाँ.
but since she delivered a blockbuster already,
Yeah.
how was her? I mean, how was she? I
She
mean,
was sweet. She was sweet, and I think एक हल्का डिस्टेंट था, बट शी वाज स्वीट. लाइक वो ऐसा जो क्रेजी टैंट्रम्स जो हम सुनते हैं वैसा कुछ नहीं था. शी वाज वेरी स्वीट टू वर्क विद. She was nice. There was this one time where we were shooting outside and there was no vanity and it was hot and हम बहुत धूप में खड़े थे. She asked me to sit with her in her own car.
okay.
And she extended that courtesy of being a co-actor, and I admire her for that. Yeah.
Usually क्या होता है ना, जब when you're actually a lead actor,
Yeah.
or when you're a supporting actor, did you find that difference in behavior or the way people treated you? Not just the director, but कभी-कभी हो सकता है प्रोड्यूसर ने ऐसा कर दिया हो, या फिर असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर ने ऐसा कर दिया हो, या किसी और ने who may not be the biggest face of the film, but maybe someone who is important to the film, who made you feel a little different.
Okay. एक basic courtesy जो होती है वो उस सेट पे थी. हाँ, वो उस सेट पे थी. From food to spot guy taking care of you for पानी, चाय, बिस्किट, respect. जो एक बेसिक रेस्पेक्ट की आप कर्टेसी एक्सपेक्ट करते हो वो उस सेट पे थी. ठीक है. और देयर वाज दिस वन डे वेयर वी वर रनिंग लेट एंड आई वांटेड टू नो कि अगर मुझे कहीं पहुंचना था तो मुझे बस पता करना था कि अगर हम नहीं पैकअप करने वाले हैं 1:30-2 बजे तक तो मुझे बता दो, तो मैं वो काम मना कर देती हूँ कि मैं नहीं पहुंच पाऊंगी. और अगर हम करने वाले तो मुझे एक आइडिया दे दो कि कब तक पहुंचना होगा. इस बात पे ना थोड़ा सा आई फेल्ट कि आई डिड नॉट गेट अ डिसेंट रेस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम प्रोडक्शन टीम और इवन फ्रॉम द मेकर्स कि दे थॉट कि अरे हमने आपको पर डे पे किया है ना, प्लीज सिट. एंड उस टाइम पे मुझे बुरा लगा, उस टाइम पे मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा. बट व्हेन आई एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड क्रिएटिंग माय ओन music video or something, when I became the person behind the camera, I understood there is so much going on कि मैं एक इंसान की लाइफ या एक इंसान के उसको मैं शायद इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं दूंगी because I'm dealing with bigger things here.
And I've heard कि
South.
कभी-कभी इधर इशू रहता है पेमेंट्स का, 4-4 महीने बाद पेमेंट्स होती हैं. Is it true?
Yeah.
4-4 महीने बाद.
या शायद कभी हो भी नहीं.
Oh God.
ऐसे भी
ऐसा आपके साथ कभी हुआ है कि
हुआ
पेमेंट
है.
नहीं मिला?
नहीं मिला.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
क्या-
and a good name. ऐसा नहीं कि ऐसा some random new person.
And you were not paid for your work.
Yeah,
But what, did you not raise your voice?
I did. And he went to a bigger person.
Oh.
कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने उस टाइम पे MNS वालों का बहुत ये था कि ओके यू नो सब आर्टिस्ट को कार्ड बनाना पड़ेगा. दे वुड जस्ट वॉक इन टू ऑल द शूटिंग सेट्स.
Okay.
So I was shooting this sari campaign and somebody came in and said कि मैम आपका आर्टिस्ट कार्ड नहीं है, ये है वो है. मैं बोला मैं क्यों बनाऊँ आर्टिस्ट कार्ड, आपको 5,000 रुपए किस बात के दूँ. नो वी आर देयर फॉर यू. आपको कुछ काम रहेगा, आपका कभी पेमेंट अटक गया तो हम जाएंगे आपके लिए, ये करेंगे वो करेंगे. सो हम ठीक है.
What is this artist card?
So artist card is scam for me. This is what I think.
Okay.
But it's like, you know, you pay them for issuing you a card with
Okay.
your name. And they claim kind of, you know, you can work if you have artist card.
Okay.
Okay. And as actors, I think Cinta को छोड़ के
Mhm.
बाकी सब कुछ Cinta के cards does have some support system.
Okay.
Okay. They have some insurance. They have
Okay.
some support system even as a group.
Mhm.
Cinta के cards फिर भी worth है.
Okay.
If you're spending money on that. बाकी सब scam है. I was also like, you know,
It's basically like an insurance. For
not
artists.
even insurance. मैं scam बोल रही हूँ ना. दूसरे वाले को तो scam ही बोल रही हूँ मैं. कोई आएगा, for example, somebody walks in
Okay.
and say कि आप मुझे 5,000 रुपए दो क्योंकि आप एंकरिंग कर रहे हो.
हाँ.
क्यों भाई? क्यों दो मैं तुझे 5,000
और ये अभी
रुपए?
भी चलता है.
I don't know. I've not dealt with people recently,
Oh my
but
God.
yeah. So I told them कि भाई ऐसा ऐसा मेरा कहीं पेमेंट अटका हुआ है, जाओ लाके दो.
Okay.
मैं आपको 5,000 रुपए दे देती हूँ. I gave him 5,000. He went, he spoke to that person and उन्होंने उसके बाप को फोन किया
Oh shit.
कि भैया ये हटाओ,
Okay.
ये जो मैटर है इसमें बोलो नहीं पढ़ना है इसको.
हाँ.
एंड ही केम बैक टू मी. आई एम लाइक मैम सॉरी. उन्होंने मेरे बॉस को फोन किया. उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं पॉसिबल है, ये वो है. तो मैंने बोला था ना आपको कि आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. फालतू में 5,000 रुपए क्यों लिए आपने, मुझे वापस करो. तो नहीं मैडम वो तो पॉसिबल नहीं है. थप्पड़ लगाने का मन क्या है रहा उसको. ठीक है.
But don't you think ये जो चीजें हैं, these are problems, और ये पहली प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ऐसी कितनी सारी प्रॉब्लम इंडस्ट्री में ऑलरेडी है.
Yeah.
But nobody talks about it.
You
क्योंकि शायद मे बी पीपल हु आर सिटिंग at the top position, maybe
yeah.
उनको वो प्रॉब्लम्स का फेस नहीं करनी पड़ती.
नहीं, of
Because
course.
nobody talks about it.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. आई डोंट थिंक कि किसी का भी पेमेंट कभी अटका ही नहीं. आई एम श्योर बड़े लोगों का बड़ा पेमेंट अटका होगा.
Mhm.
ओके फॉर बी कौन जानवी फॉर एग्जाम्पल.
Okay.
जानवी कपूर शॉट फॉर दोस्ताना का सीक्वल. आई थिंक शी वाज कास्ट इन दैट
Okay.
एंड दैट फिल्म गॉट शेल्व्ड इन 2 days.
Oh.
सो आई एम श्योर ऐसा नहीं है कि जो हमसे ऊपर है उन या हम करियर में कहीं कोई ऊपर है तो उनके साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ होगा. ऐसा नहीं है, हुआ होगा. बट दे वुड हैव फाउंड वे टू डील
Ways
विद
to-
इट.
Since you have mentioned Janvi,
हाँ.
I'd like to ask you, when you're not someone who's the main lead,
Mm.
let's say, or maybe you're someone who is trying really hard in the industry,
Yeah.
do you feel nepotism and replacement happen? Like, has it ever happened to you?
I'm sure it has happened to me. There was this one film जिसमें I was not cast because I was dancing better than the lead.
Lead, oh.
So they say कि नहीं. And this conversation, मेरी friend थी वहाँ पे casting में. So she came and told me. And I'm like क्या खराब नाचूं अभी मैं.
Hmm.
ऑडिशन था डांसिंग का.
Mhm.
You know they wanted to see and it was an Nadiad wala project. So
Oh.
I like okay, going all in.
Okay.
And you don't get cast, but ठीक है.
When the film happened,
Of course the film happened.
how old?
Let's not get in the
Okay.
titles and names. Of
Okay,
course the
okay.
film happened. I saw and I was like, okay.
You would have been
whatever.
there.
Huh?
It would have been yours.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm. But what is the future outlook? क्योंकि अभी I have not seen you doing OTT. अभी तक आपने OTT नहीं किया है ना?
नहीं.
What is that future outlook कि OTT और reality shows में क्या मतलब? Because I'm very sure आपको approach तो किया होगा reality shows और OTT करने के लिए.
Reality shows I can't do Big Boss and all that. मेरे से I
But
want
they
to
have
stay away
approached you?
from the fight. Sorry.
Have they approached you
Yeah.
multiple times?
Not multiple times. I think way back in when it started,
Okay.
when it was not this crazy.
Yeah.
पर मैंने तो भाई कान पकड़ लिए, मेरे से नहीं होगा, मेरे को आप ऐसा एक बॉक्स में बंद कर लो लोगों के साथ में, मैं नहीं जी सकती ऐसे, मेरे को वैसे ही झगड़े और उन सब से बहुत प्रॉब्लम है।
Okay.
हाँ, आई कांट लिव इन अ टॉक्सिक एनवायरनमेंट एंड सर्वाइव, जो कर सकते हैं बहुत अच्छी बात है।
Okay. And खतरों के खिलाड़ी और भी बहुत सारे शोज हैं।
खतरों की खिलाड़ी, I like animals.
Yeah.
I can't touch them.
You
or
don't like
deal with
reptiles
them.
or insects? ऐसा?
Yeah, like cockroach से ही मेरी पकती है, तो पता नहीं। खतरों के खिलाड़ी भी was off the table. I could have done a dance reality show, but
Yeah.
then it puts you in that bracket of dancer.
But you have, I read that you are a trained dancer also.
Yeah.
Then why did you not do dance? Dance तो कर सकते
पर
हैं। Because बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन्होंने
So-
डांस रियलिटी शो
हाँ,
किया है और उसके
yeah,
बाद
उसके
they
बाद
had like good future.
so उसके बाद में they get more dancing gigs.
अभी पिछले महीने there was this news, big production houses, sorry, not big production houses but news channels ने इसको कवर किया था कि धुरंधर के सेट पे लेह लद्दाख में
हाँ.
more than 100 people got hospitalized because of stale food या food poisoning,
Yeah,
कुछ
I
भी
heard that. I heard
मतलब
that.
that news circulated बहुत ज्यादा, अभी उस पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है।
Mm.
बट फिर भी डू यू फील लाइक देयर इज अ डिफरेंस ऑफ फूड आल्सो, लाइक ऐसा कुछ है कि सेट पे पीपल आर ट्रीटेड डिफरेंटली? अच्छा ये लाइट वाले लोग हैं
Of
इनको थोड़ा
course.
अलग से,
Of course.
ये बैकग्राउंड डांसर्स हैं इनको अलग से,
I would
ये
be
supporting
lying
actors हैं
if
इनको
I
अलग।
said हाँ, I would be lying if I said नहीं है, of course है।
वैनिटी
And,
वैन्स जैसा
Vanity Vans हो गई। See, the quality always, of course, is deteriorated as it comes down to the chain. Okay, there is no hiding about it. सब जानते हैं, सब ने अपने अपने सेट पे देखा ही होगा कि एक्टर्स जो लीड हैं उनका खाना, उसका क्वालिटी या whatever. If they have ordered it for themselves or the producers, no comment on that. But हाँ, वो आता है, वो अलग होता ही है।
हैव यू ट्राइड इट? खा के देखा मतलब उन लोग, मतलब क्रू का खाना कभी खाया आपने?
हाँ, of course खाया है, because see, there are sets that I've worked which didn't have like a separate thing for actors.
ओके।
तो हमने क्रू के साथ में ही खाना खाया है वो, and it's not that healthy if it's just full of oil and everything. पर I carry my food with myself.
ओके।
मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं अपने घर से खाना बनवा के ले जाऊं, या आसपास में कोई फ्रेंड है, फैमिली है, उनके घर से मंगा लूं, या ऐसा कुछ जुगाड़ कर लूं। बट या इट्स टफ। लाइटमैन आर द पीपल हु आर वर्किंग द फिजिकल लेबर, सबसे ज्यादा है उनका, सबसे ज्यादा फिजिकल लेबर उनका है, वेट सबसे कम है, एंड दे कम फर्स्ट ऑन द सेट एंड दे गो लास्ट फ्रॉम द सेट। और ये सबको मालूम है, हर एक प्रोड्यूसर, डायरेक्टर, एक्टर, बेसिक इंसान, ग्राफर, सबको मालूम ही है ये। इफ यू वांट टू डू समथिंग अबाउट देम, दे शुड डू इट। एटलीस्ट खाने जैसी बेसिक चीज पे करना ही चाहिए।
When you're not, let's say when you're not doing many leads, बहुत ज्यादा लीड नहीं कर रहे, does it become a pressure कि मेरे पास अगला क्या होगा? Because people might, आज के टाइम पे ऐसा है कि सोशल मीडिया पे भी इतने ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं, सोशल मीडिया पे इतने फेसेस हैं, that if you don't come in the limelight for a month, let's say if you're not given a, let's say 1 million 2 million वाली अगर आपने रील भी नहीं दिया, people will forget you the next day.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, see, my last film was Bhale Padare. It released last year in October. Okay, September, October. And वो रिलीज हुई ही थी, within that 1 week people were starting me, अरे आपका नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट, नेक्स्ट फिल्म, ये वो। मैंने बोला जो रिलीज हुई है वो तो देख के आओ पहले। Okay, so that pressure, that constant pressure, it's going to be there. I think people, even for example, small talk भी करना हो ना किसी को, for example, you're an actor, you're just walking around somewhere, या कहीं भी मंदिर गए, अपने गाँव गए वापस है, whatever. So the easiest small talk they can have with me is with about my future projects, which even I don't know. What do you tell them? And I'm not someone who's saying कि oh मैं तो अक्षय के साथ नेक्स्ट फिल्म कर रही हूँ, शाहरुख खान के साथ में मेरी और एक फिल्म आने वाली है, बताती हूँ मैं आपको। अपने अंदर वो है नहीं कि फेकम फाकी करो कि वो I'm very busy. So it gets a bit tough to, मुझे इतने साल लगे इंडस्ट्री को समझने में, how it functions. अब मैं उस इंसान को जिसको कुछ आइडिया नहीं है हाउ दिस इंडस्ट्री वर्क्स, उसको मैं क्या जवाब दूं? मतलब बस आएगा, बहुत जल्दी आ जाएगा, और क्या करोगे आप?
And on social media also nowadays it happens when you post a good picture, let's say you're posting only the good part of your life, glamorous, people expect कि आप उतने ही glamorous तरीके से जी रहे हो,
of course,
आपका lifestyle भी वैसा ही है,
and it's crazy,
it brings pressure also,
of course,
because then you have to maintain a certain kind of image कि अच्छा ये
इमेज से ज्यादा भाई 24/7 कोई तैयार होके नहीं कैसे रह सकता है. अगर मैं ग्रोसरी लेने जा रही हूँ या सब्जी लेने जा रही हूँ तो मैं नॉर्मल कपड़ों में जाऊंगी ना. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ड्रेस अप. बट देयर वाज दिस वन पीआर in when Rowdy Rathore had released. He was like, no. If you're going even to buy sabji, you should doll up and you should be glamorous and buy sabji. I'm like, दिमाग मत खराब कर. ये नहीं होगा मेरे से. But ठीक है जो करते होंगे वो करते हैं. But it's tough. It's really tough.
Now you have mentioned PR. अभी PR tactics बहुत ज़्यादा वायरल हुई हैं. कुछ भी होता है PR. I mean कभी-कभी स्टार के साथ कंट्रोवर्सी भी होती है ना. PR टेल्स देम कि अच्छा ऐसे बिहेव करो वैसे बिहेव करो. PR का प्रेशर आपको लगता है बहुत ही ज्यादा है स्टार्स के ऊपर?
स्टार्स के ऊपर मुझे लगता है सी वो ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर होते हैं. प्रिपेयर करके ही आते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल जब 90s के एक्ट्रेसेस का जो एक था ना उस टाइम पे वो बोल देते थे जो उनके एक्चुअल दिल में था. ठीक है. अब उनको इतना एडुकेट किया जाता है पहले से कि पब्लिक में आपको क्या बोलना है क्या नहीं बोलना है कैसे बिहेव करना है क्या नहीं करना है. जब आप वो सब पढ़ के आते हो तो एक इमेज जैसे वो बाहर भी एक किरदार ही प्ले कर रहे हैं ऐसा ही होता है. एंड आई थिंक इट्स पार्ट ऑफ द गेम नाउ. यू कांट ब्लेम देम. ठीक है.
विजिबिलिटी के लिए पेड पीआर ये सब भी बहुत ज्यादा चलता है.
वो ही चलता है. दूसरा मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल
कभी जो रियल टैलेंट है वो छुप जाता है उससे. It happens, right?
पैसा.
Okay, that was it. I want to ask you.
Okay.
What are the upcoming projects that you're working on?
Okay.
Because I'll be very happy to know this.
Okay. So I was a die-hard fan of action.
Okay.
Disham, whatever. So I got this opportunity of working in a film where I got to explore my MMA skills.
Okay.
So it's called Full Stop. Stop the Crime Against Women.
Okay.
That's the theme of the film.
Okay.
And it is releasing in on October 3rd.
Oh wow.
And it's going to be released in Pan Gujarat and Bombay as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
I read somewhere that you also learned kickboxing.
Yeah.
बचपन से?
नहीं बचपन से नहीं.
Then
Everything is
learned for the role.
Everything I in terms of skill I know I owe it to Mumbai.
Okay.
Truly. सब यहाँ आके यहाँ पे लोगों से मिलके यहाँ मुंबई की देन है ये. एवरीथिंग दैट आई हैव लर्नड इज फ्रॉम मुंबई. इवन बी इट लाइफ इवन हाउ यू नेविगेट विद पीपल. मुंबई आपको सब कुछ सिखा देती है.
Okay.
Yes.
मुंबई में when you came for the first time, because Mumbai is known for one very good thing, which is safety.
Yeah.
Do you feel that element की बहुत ज़्यादा ही safe है मुंबई? It's a very good thing, yo.
Yes.
But लगा आपको वो change?
See, I was a very indoors person. हमारे घर पे अलाउड ही नहीं था बाहर जाना. 8 से 3 बजे का स्कूल है. 3:15 पे अगर आप घर पे नहीं हो तो माई मॉम विल बी एट स्कूल. ठीक है. एंड कॉलेज 6 बजे बाद खत्म होता था तो 6:30 पौने 7 तक अगर आप घर पे नहीं हो तो माई पेरेंट्स वुड गेट हार्ट अटैक. सो आई हैव नेवर ट्रैवल्ड आउट व्हेन आई वाज इन चेन्नई. बट so I can't really compare, but I felt safe in Bombay from the time I landed.
Okay.
Yes. And by God's grace, I met good roommates. My office colleagues were so loving. They knew कि अच्छा ये अकेली रहती है, PG में रहती है. So they would share their tiffin with me.
Okay.
They would invite me for festivities. And there are days जो लोग बोलते हैं ना कि because आपकी अगर सैलरी क्रेडिट नहीं हुई है and you are in the last week, you are walking back from station because you don't want to spend 20 rupees on rickshaw or 30 rupees on rickshaw. So you see all that in life but you still feel safe. Bombay is safe. There are rickshaw वाले भैयास who have tried to protect me. You know कि अगर कोई लड़का है बाजू वाले रिक्शा में फॉलो कर रहा है या कोई ऐसा you know if you're going to a party and somebody is trying to kind of you know follow you, he would made sure कि उसने अपना रूट चेंज कर लिया है संभाल के उसको. he is lost that guy and I've experienced this personally. So respect to them and I think they keep us safe. All the men around they keep us safe and and थोड़ा of course you got to be sensible also. I'm not saying अरे 10 रुपए के रोड पे गिर जाओ तो you will be safe. No, it is being stupid. But if you are just going about your day-to-day life and Bombay is safe. Touch wood. By God's grace.
अभी since you know so many languages, yeah, multilingual. Let's say. अभी बहुत टाइम से एक डिबेट चल रहा था हिंदी और मराठी के बीच में,
ओके
बहुत ज्यादा हुआ, मतलब
हाँ,
काफी मतभेद हुआ लोगों के
हाँ,
बीच में, लड़ाई मारपीट भी
बिल्कुल
हुई.
बिल्कुल हुई
What is your take? Because you are someone who knows Hindi also, you're
Yeah.
someone who knows English also.
Hmm.
You are someone who knows Marathi also,
Correct.
you are someone who knows Gujarati and Telugu
Yes.
also. Also international Italian also you know.
yes
What is your take on this?
see I feel भाषा की उत्पत्ति
Hmm.
or the birth of language
Yeah.
was to be able to communicate with
Yeah.
each other and that's it. मैं जो बोलना चाहती हूँ आप समझ जाएं और आप जो बोलना चाहते हो मैं समझ जाऊं, उतना ही रोल है उसका.
Hmm.
उससे ज्यादा उसको ज्यादा बखेड़ा बनाने की जरूरत है नहीं.
Yeah.
ये मेरा पर्सनल मानना है कि आप जबरदस्ती किसी से मोहब्बत कैसे करवा सकते हो.
Yeah.
I love languages. I love speaking languages.
Yeah.
So that's my choice.
Yeah.
That's my affection for the language. ठीक है. You can't force it.
True.
You can't force affection. You can't force love out of somebody for language or anything for that
It
matter.
will automatically happen.
It will automatically happen.
Yeah.
Create beautiful art in Marathi. People loved Sairat.
True.
Sairat was so big.
Yeah.
Even people saw it. Even people who didn't know Marathi,
They have
saw
seen it because of the subtitles also कि चलो ठीक है उसलिए भी देख लो,
हाँ.
समझ आ जाएगा.
So आपकी बात पहुंच गई लोगों तक,
Hmm.
बस भाषा का उतना ही काम
Yeah.
है. ये मेरा पर्सनल मानना है कि
True. Now
Yeah.
let's talk more about the film,
Okay.
upcoming film के बारे में.
Yeah.
What's your role? Since you said it empowers
yeah,
women, right?
yes.
What's your role?
So I'm
What kind of
playing
role you're
this
doing?
tomboy girl
Okay.
who's a brat of
Okay.
military brat.
Okay.
उसके पापा आर्मी जनरल थे. So
Hmm.
she's been brought up with that discipline, that
Hmm.
fight, that confidence and to fight for justice.
Okay.
वो एक कीड़ा ना सब में नहीं होता है, वो
Hmm.
कुछ कुछ लोगों में होता है कि okay I'm gonna fix it or I want to do
So it's a
this.
crime
Yes,
scene. Okay,
yeah. So it is a story of 3 girls
Okay.
who fight against a gangster.
Yeah.
Okay.
Only if you are allowed to speak all this.
Yeah.
I'll just, yeah.
So that's the plot.
Yeah.
I mean, but how we go about it is the journey,
Okay.
and that is the interesting part.
Okay.
And I had to actually cut my hair
Oh.
twice
Okay.
during entire shoot of the
Hmm.
film. And I
Did you
think
somehow
people-
feel that it was relatable to your personal life? ऐसा कुछ लगा? Because since you know kickboxing, you're
of course,
Yeah.
I got the film because of knowing kickboxing.
Okay.
मैं और मेरे trainer हम workout कर रहे थे and we shot one small clip of our workout and we had posted on Facebook.
Okay.
And my director saw it on Facebook
Oh.
and he called me for the audition.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's how I got the film.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But वही है कि some people, there's always a debate of two kind of people.
Hmm.
One says कि I want to keep my skills, my life, my happiness to myself. I keep
Hmm.
it private.
Hmm.
Some people are like, okay, I have a certain kind of skill. I
Hmm.
have a certain kind of lifestyle.
Hmm.
I know such skills. मेरे को इतना talent है, मेरा fashion अच्छा है, तो I'll
Correct.
post out on social media.
Correct.
Do you feel like putting out on social media not only gives you views and like, but also can also attract opportunities for you?
Correct. It does. It does. Honestly, for example, हम में ना बहुत एज एक्टर सोचते हैं.
Hmm.
आप एक किसी दिन कास्टिंग करने के लिए बैठ जाओ.
Hmm.
आप सोचो कि आपको एक फिल्म बनानी है
True.
and start thinking कि oh who I can cast. You will not find a single person.
Oh yeah.
Trust me.
Hmm.
When I was casting for my music video,
Okay.
I browsing my
But
phone.
when looking for specifically, क्या traits?
A decent model who's
Hmm.
good at expression and basic openness because it was a love song.
Okay.
Okay. ये 3-4 चीजें देख रही थी. I mean, who look decent with me
Okay.
in the frame photogenically.
Hmm.
And मुझे उस टाइम पे कोई क्लिक नहीं कर रहा था.
Oh.
कोई भी नहीं क्लिक कर रहा था.
Hmm.
So then of course I approached my casting friend and he helped me with somebody.
Okay.
But ये ना कास्टिंग वाली जो बात है, जब हम एक्चुअली कास्टिंग करने बैठते हैं, अगर
Okay.
आप किसी दिन करो
Hmm.
तो आपको कोई याद नहीं आएगा.
Okay.
सच बता रही हूँ. So I think putting out on social media gives them the visibility, them an opportunity to see you.
Okay.
So you're doing yourself a favor if you're putting your skills on social media and it does help.
But when it turns the other way, let's say मृणाल ठाकुर के बारे में अगर हम बात करें, she said something about Bipasha long ago, let's say
Okay.
10 years ago,
Hmm.
and then it went viral today in 2025, which which negatively impacted her image.
It did.
And now latestly she said something on an interview, let's say 5-10 days ago, एक
हाँ,
interview उनका आया
yeah.
जिसमें उन्होंने कोई simple सी बात बोली, but then it also became controversial.
कि हम है ना एक बात भूल जाते हैं कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम नॉट जस्टिफाइंग व्हाट मृणाल डिड बट एज पर्सन फॉर एग्जाम्पल आज से 10 साल पहले की काजल में और आज की काजल वशिष्ठ में बहुत फर्क है. ओके, आई हैव फॉलन, आई हैव लर्नड, मेरी लाइफ के एक्सपीरियंसेस चेंज हुए हैं, मैं चेंज हुई हूँ. और इंसान जब भूखा होता है ना तो वो कुछ भी करता है बिकॉज ही और शी इज नॉट इन द राइट स्पेस ऑफ माइंड. फिर जब आपको एक सर्टेन रिकग्निशन मिल जाता है, यू आर स्टेबल, देन यू अंडरस्टैंड कि ओके आई हैव टू बी नाइस टू एवरीबॉडी. I can't speak my mind, or I can't speak ill of my co-actors or peers. Okay, और वो बचपना भी हो सकता है. What she said about Bipasha, it could be बचपना.
Yeah, she actually posted a story that I know गलती से 18 years की मृणाल से unintentionally कुछ निकल गया मुझसे, but still she felt sorry. Like
एक तो हमारे पास सोशल मीडिया पे इतना टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं ना लोग कि कुछ भी वायरल हो रहा है. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, अभी आई विल टेल यू वन एग्जांपल. अभी फॉर एग्जांपल किसी लड़की ने एकदम ऐसा कवर्ड कपड़ों में फोटो डाली है, उसको मुश्किल से 10-20 लाइक आएंगे, ठीक है, ऑन एन एवरेज. एंड एट सेम टाइम, सो इफ अ गर्ल हैज पोस्टेड रिवीलिंग पिक्चर, गर्ल क्या, मैं मेरी ही बात करती हूँ ना. व्हेन आई नो मेरे कौन से पिक्चर्स पे मैक्सिमम लाइक आया है ना, कौन से पिक्चर पे लोगों ने लाइक या इग्नोर मारा है, तो मुझे पता है. तो इट्स अबाउट पीपल, एंड उसको एकदम हवा बनाने की मुझे नहीं लगता जरूरत है. एंड मृणाल हैज ऑलरेडी अपोलोजाइज्ड and she has grown as person, she has grown as actor, so let's just cut some slack to her. And at the same time it's about Bipasha. अगर Bipasha को कुछ करना होगा तो they will figure it out between themselves. हम क्यों पड़ रहे हैं बीच में? This is my take on that.
Yeah, that was it. It was the first segment of our show, and it went very beautiful. I just got to know some really interesting things also about you, but also some insights about the industry that maybe normal people or regular people don't know. It was really wonderful talking to you. Let us move to the next segment. So this is segment 2 of the show, which is we are basically going to have some games. Okay. So let's start with If I Were.
If I Were. Okay.
If I were Prabhudeva, I would. You have to be quick.
Okay. I would. I would be nicer to people.
Okay. Is he not nice?
Okay.
Okay. If I were Salman Khan for a day, I would.
I would. He's living his best life, but I would enjoy my life.
Okay.
Yeah.
If I were allowed to time travel, I would.
If I were allowed to time travel, I would. I would go back to Vaijayantimala era and follow her.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wonderful. If I were the Prime Minister of India.
Oh, that's a tough one.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm capable of thinking if I were Prime Minister of India. But if I were, I would encourage men and women to coexist, co-work, and support each other.
Okay.
Yeah.
If I were given a chance to rewrite one moment in my career,
it would be in 2015. Don't doubt yourself. I would that moment where you go in self doubt कि मैं करूँ नहीं करूँ, मुझसे होगा नहीं होगा, वो moment में शायद अपनी जिंदगी का change कर दूँ.
If I were to make a film on my own life, the title would be.
Oh, yeah. Never thought of it, but if I made a film on my life, the title would be It's My Way.
Okay.
No Highway.
If I were to change one thing about the industry, I would.
Oh, okay. If the food, the food for sure. Food, खाने के लिए हम घर से निकले हैं पैसा कमाने के लिए. That is one very basic need, and I think I would encourage people to have better food on set.
Either and odd. Let's move to either and odd. Are you a foodie, by the way?
Totally.
Okay. So burger or pizza?
Pizza, Italian authentic pizza.
Okay. Pizza or fries?
Pizza.
Pizza or pasta?
Pizza.
Pizza or biryani?
Pizza.
Pizza or rajma chawal?
Pizza.
Pizza or chole bhature?
I am not a chole bhature person at all. Any day,
Okay.
pizza.
Okay, pizza or samosa?
Pizza from Ustoso.
Okay, pizza or jalebi?
Pizza.
Pizza or modak?
Pizza.
Pizza or vada pav?
Pizza.
Pizza or pani puri?
Pani puri.
Oh my god, everybody does this. Okay, so you are a pani puri fan.
Yeah.
Pani puri or ice cream?
Pani puri.
Pani puri or cheesecake?
Pani puri.
Pani puri or pav bhaji?
Pani puri.
Let's move to the next game, which is
Okay.
called the emoji game.
Okay.
So I'll ask a question,
Okay.
and you have to pick one emoji and show it to the camera.
Got it.
Like, what will be your reaction to that question?
Okay, so let me keep them closer to myself.
Okay.
ठीक है. Okay.
So when you get a call for a new project,
Okay. It's
okay, you think about it. What it's gonna be like? It suits
Because-
you or not? Yeah.
फर्स्ट कॉल में लोग बोलते कुछ है, एक्चुअल में होता कुछ है, और जब एडिट होता है तब और कुछ ही होता है. सो
Okay.
ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट इट.
When someone trolls you on social media,
Okay, I think I choose to a bit of this.
okay, so you don't care.
I
and
don't-
you're like-
you have to stop caring, otherwise आप पागल हो जाओगे.
Okay, falling in love with a co-actor,
Rarely
Has it
happened.
ever
with-
happened?
No, it never
Okay.
happened with me.
getting a work call on a Sunday or a holiday.
Oh, I love that totally. I
love
don't
it.
care about holidays.
Okay,
I can work anytime.
when a co-actor forgets his line but the director blames you.
Blames me.
Yeah,
Okay.
you stay silent. Okay, okay.
Because you can't do anything on set about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
When you realize your look test pictures were better than the film test, let's say the actual film.
Then the actual film. Because film is released.
Okay.
And yeah, this is how I would feel.
Okay. When a producer says budget come hai but expects you to give 200%.
Oh, I would give it.
Okay, you're
Sure.
ethical. You are okay. Wonderful. When someone gives you muft ka gyan. You say चिल्लर नहीं है मेरे पास. Okay, you laugh.
Just smile and say, okay.
Okay. Let's move to the next segment, which is called My Quick Recommendations.
Okay.
Here, I'll ask you very quickly.
Recommendations.
Yeah.
Done.
And so you'll have to recommend
Okay.
your go-to song.
My go-to song right now is Baltimora. It's like an Afrobeat mix.
Okay.
And it has some groovy style. So right now when I wake up and I just want to move my body,
Okay.
that's the song I'm playing right now.
Okay. Any favorite Hindi song, let's say?
Any favorite Hindi song? Right now I am listening on loop 90s song,
Okay.
and it is ये वाला लाल दुपट्टा,
Oh.
लाल दुपट्टा उड़ गया रे मेरा हवा के
Everyone's
झोंके.
first choice in Antakshari.
This song.
Yeah, everybody's
Acha?
yeah.
Okay.
Any holiday spot?
holiday spot गोवा.
Okay. Foreign में कुछ?
फॉरेन में आई वुड से अगर अच्छा बजट है तो रोम इटली फॉर श्योर ट्रैवल करना चाहिए, और अगर यूरोप से थोड़ा कम बजट है तो दुबई इज फन प्लेस, एंड कंबोडिया इज ब्यूटीफुल, अंडररेटेड, एंड ज्यादा जनता नहीं है उधर.
Comfort food?
कंफर्ट फूड दाल खिचड़ी, रूममेट दाल खिचड़ी, जो हम सारी सब्जियां दाल चावल मिक्स करके हम स्ट्रगलिंग डेज में बनाते हैं. दैट इज माय कंफर्ट फूड.
Any quick workout? Pilates? yoga,
Quick
कुछ?
workout, put on your favorite item song and nacho. Yeah.
Any go-to watch movie?
Go to watch movie. In English, it's Eat, Pray, Love
Okay.
by Julia Roberts. I love Julia Roberts. And in Hindi, it's Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam.
Oh, it's a beautiful film.
I love Aishwarya Rai.
Any try dish? Something that must be tried.
Tried dish.
Mhm.
I'm very experimental with food.
Mm.
Vegetarian. I'm a vegetarian, so I don't
yeah,
mind
okay.
experimenting vegetarian food. So there is this zucchini zoodles that has come up.
Yeah.
I think everybody should try it.
Oh, is
I
it?
think it's filling, it's healthy, and it helps your taste palates. That's one. And second is this mango avocado salad.
Any binge watch show? Quick.
I think it's not about the show, it's me.
Okay.
मैं रुक नहीं सकती, मुझे पूरी कहानी जाननी है, उसी वक्त जाननी है कि क्या हुआ आगे. I have binged watched every show, so I'm scared of starting a new show.
Okay.
But the best that I've watched is The Mentalist.
Okay.
It's a crazy show, and the actor had directed it and produced
Oh.
it himself, the lead
Oh.
actor. So that's very inspiring. When I watched the show.
That was fun. Let's move to the next
Okay.
game, which is called Dare or Share.
Okay.
Okay, first one. Dare or share if you have ever been rejected in an audition you thought you nailed. You have to tell like details. के साथ.
What if I don't remember the details?
Oh.
मतलब, there were a couple of auditions where I felt that I was like, boss, ये तो
कोई
मिल ही रहा है
कोई
मुझे.
कोई ऐसा.
So there was this doctor show that was coming up, and it was a web show, I think.
Okay.
And I'd seen, मतलब, I think that I did very well because I related with that character so
Okay.
much. And yeah, I didn't make it to the bottom 5 also.
But did that show happen? Did that
Yeah,
show happen?
it happened.
Oh.
And they casted somebody very known.
Okay. Dare or share if you have ever been replaced by another actor in the last moment.
No.
Okay. Not happened.
No.
Okay. Dare or share if you have ever regretted something badly in life. Like very badly. And I'm not talking in terms of career. Like something in terms of life only. Like let's in general kuch aisa that you regret should have not happened.
There's so many things and I can't share all that. So.
Okay. You choose a dare before you eat the chocolate.
Okay. What's
Yeah.
the dare?
Okay. Call a random friend and tell them you're getting married tomorrow. Will you show up? Can you do that?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, yeah. Let's do it.
हेलो.
Hi, baby.
हाय बेबी.
क्या कर रहे हो?
वही में हम लोग.
वाई में. I wanted to tell you something.
What?
I'm getting married tomorrow.
What?
I'm getting married
When?
tomorrow. Would you be able to come as witness?
तू मुझे आज क्यों बता रही है ऐसे, और ऐसे क्यों शादी कर रही है?
I'm
Huh?
sorry, it was just. तू कल आ पाएगी क्या?
अरे लेकिन हाँ मैं आ पाऊंगी, लेकिन क्या कौन है बंदा, कुछ बताएगी कि तू मजाक कर रही है?
You are.
Hello?
No, Rudra, I'm not getting married.
मजाक कर रही है ना?
Yeah, I'm on a
Huh?
show and they asked me as a dare, so I'll call you back and explain. Don't worry.
क्या?
I'll call you back.
And that was fun. That was
She
fun.
freaked out.
Yeah, thank
Her
you.
son Rudra is screaming, "Are you getting married?" Oh my God, Rudra, I'm not getting married. Don't worry, baby. I'll let you know before.
Oh God. That was fun. That was
God.
fun.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you.
Let us move on.
Okay.
Dare or share if you ever considered quitting this industry.
Oh yes, I did. So I think in 2018, just before COVID, I was going through this phase where nothing I did was working out, or I was मतलब मैं एक अलग ही phase में आ गई थी कि अब ना मुझसे नहीं होगा, and I reached out to my banking peers
Oh.
कि I'm thinking to quit and I'm thinking to change and ऐसा वैसा. And उस टाइम पे जो मेरी बॉस थी ना, निधि अग्रवाल, she was the head of the unit.
Okay.
She told me that it's just a phase.
Mhm.
You will get through this. You have put in so much of your life into this.
Sure.
Don't quit now. And that one conversation with her, she's like my mom. मैं उनको माँ ही बुलाती थी, mom ही बुलाती थी. And she's the most powerful feminine figures
Okay.
I've come across in life. So she told me, she kind of helped me, nudged me to kind of hold on to it, and that helps.
Okay.
Just getting through that bad phase. Just वो time निकालना है आपको वो. पर उस time पे अगर कोई है आपके साथ में supportive, nothing like it, and yeah.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much for sharing this.
Yeah.
Okay, so last question.
Yeah.
Dare or share if you have ever ghosted a director, producer, actor just because you either did not like the script, but not this case. You did not like to work with them because they were expecting something else out of you. Let's say it's dare or share.
Okay, so I can't share, so go for the dare. But yeah, that happens.
But it happened,
Yeah,
right?
of course
It does happen
happens,
to
right?
like a lot of people, right?
Yeah, I mean, see, I'll tell you this very again philosophical cutthroat thing. If you're a rich man, even if you're a man,
Okay.
what is expected out of you?
To look after the family. Let's say
Financial,
yeah,
basically
yeah,
financial
yeah.
contribution.
Yeah.
If you're a beautiful woman, what do people want from you?
Love, let's say, and then people, if they are, yes,
Okay, so you understand and you just move on from there. आगे बढ़ो, ठीक है, नहीं वर्कआउट हो रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, next.
But have you ever seen someone going through this and then actually putting themselves in trouble out of this? ऐसा कुछ हुआ है?
ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग होंगे, बट मैं पर्सनली ऐसा किसी को नहीं जानती. एंड अगेन अपने इंडस्ट्री में फ्रेंड्स बहुत कम होते हैं. Okay, to be very honest, you might have acquaintances, you might have colleagues, but you're not friends. जान जिगर जांगे वाली दोस्ती सबके साथ नहीं होती है. So ठीक है.
Now we are left with the dare.
Okay. Bring it on.
Suppose I'm your dream director.
Okay.
You have to give me your 2 minutes audition.
Okay.
Of the work that you have done, how badly you need the role, how deserving you are.
Okay.
Or you have to give me your phone, call a friend, give me the phone, and I'll tell them कि मेरे को कहीं phone गिरा हुआ मिला है, कैसे return करूँ? You choose which one. Or you want to call a friend?
Okay, we can. My best friend is freaking out. She's sending me messages and messages. Okay, let's say I will call Coco if he picks up.
हाँ बेबी.
हेलो.
हेलो.
हेलो. एक्चुअली ये फोन मुझे कहीं पड़ा हुआ मिला था डीएन नगर मेट्रो स्टेशन के पास. आपको पता है किसका फोन है ये?
अच्छा, ये मेरी फ्रेंड काजल का फोन है. आप कैसे दोगे उसको?
वही, इसलिए मैंने, क्योंकि मैंने देखा कोई उठा के भाग रहा था. एक्चुअली उठाने वाला ही था क्योंकि ऐसे पड़ा हुआ था.
अच्छा.
तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा कॉल करके मैं आपको बता दूं. पासवर्ड भी नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, बस पड़ा हुआ था फोन.
तो आपने मेरा नंबर कैसे लगा लिया?
मैंने रैंडमली किसी का नंबर स्क्रॉल करते करते मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि शायद आपका कॉल था, तो इसलिए मैंने आपको कॉल कर दिया.
ओके, ठीक है. तो ये ना इसका घर है डीएन नगर पे ही है. इसका घर कहाँ मिले हो आप? कहाँ पे?
डीएन नगर मेट्रो के पास ही. डीएन नगर मेट्रो के पास ही मेरे को पड़ा हूँ. मैं वहीं पे चौक पे ही खड़ा हूँ.
चौक पे ही खड़े हो ना? तो क्या पता वही आ जाए. वो काजल भी आ जाएगी शायद. ढूंढते ढूंढते आएगी कहीं ना कहीं.
बट अभी पता नहीं ना, अभी क्या पता कब आए, कि मेरे को लेट हो रहा है ना, तो इसलिए आप मेरे को बता दो अगर वो आ सकते हैं.
और तो मैं कैसे बताऊं? मैं तो अभी चंडीगढ़ हूँ. मैं कैसे बताऊं आपको? लेकिन वो फोन उसका है. प्लीज आप उसको देना जरूर. लेकिन
अच्छा ठीक है, अभी पुलिस स्टेशन में जमा करवा दूं?
नहीं, पुलिस स्टेशन में क्या है, आप इधर ही दे दो ना. ये क्या करूं मैं? आपको लेट हो रहा है. आपका नंबर दो मुझे. मैं आपको फोन करूंगी. आप अगर सेफली अगर अपने पास रख लोगे. आपका शुभ नाम क्या है?
मैम मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. मैं एक्चुअली मैं सही बताऊं, मैं या तो पुलिस स्टेशन दे देता हूँ. ये
नहीं तो आप मुझे अपना नंबर दे दो ना सर. आप वो आपसे कभी भी आके ले लेगी.
ठीक है, ओके.
मतलब अभी ले लेगी थोड़ी देर में आप. लेकिन आप अपना नंबर दे दो मुझे, तो मैं आपको वापस से फोन कर लूंगी.
ओके ठीक है, अपने फ्रेंड से बात कर लो.
हाय, दे देगी मुझे मेरा नंबर. सारे अच्छा वो मैंने स्पीकर ऑफ कर दिया. तो इतनी सारी गालियां स्पीकर में मत पो. अरे हम एक शो पे वहां पे डेयर था. तो आई विल कॉल यू बैक. बाय. हाय रब्बा, बाय.
That was fun. I feel
It
bad.
was
We
fun.
had to like do this.
She
with
was so
two of your
worried.
friends, yeah.
So worried.
But it was fun. Thank you so much, Kajal, for joining us in the show.
Thank you.
I had a wonderful time talking to you,
Yeah.
knowing your story, and I'm very sure that people will get inspired by your story. But before you leave, I have a very special gift for you.
Oh.
So this is Happy Hippie, a brand by Zareen Khan. This is for you.
Oh.
I'm very sure it's gonna make your beautiful skin even more beautiful.
Thank you. Happy Hippie. What a
Yeah.
name. Interesting name. Wow. Serum. I love the packing and I love the colors. Thank you, Zareen. I'm sure I'm gonna try it. Let you know.